Hi everyone, welcome back to the Auto Horizon. Today, we are diving into the 2025 Citroën 2CV Classic is a nostalgic revival of one of the most beloved cars in automotive history. Citroën has reimagined the iconic 2CV, blending its unmistakable charm with modern engineering and technology. From the outside, it stays true to the original's timeless design, featuring the signature rounded fenders, minimalist bodywork, and signature corrugated bonnet. However, subtle refinements in aerodynamics and lighting elements give it a refreshed look while preserving its vintage appeal. Under the hood, the 2025 2CV Classic is powered by an electric motor, making it an eco-friendly reincarnation of the Classic. The modest power output is designed to retain the slow and steady cruising experience that made the original so charming. With a range of approximately 200 miles on a single charge, it's perfect for city driving and countryside adventures alike. Citroën has also ensured that charging is quick and convenient, supporting fast charging capabilities to keep you on the move with minimal downtime. Step inside, and you're greeted with a beautifully crafted interior that seamlessly blends retro styling with modern comfort. The dashboard maintains a simplistic, functional design, reminiscent of the original 2CV, but now integrates a discrete digital display for essential driving information. The seats are designed for maximum comfort, featuring sustainable materials that stay true to the car's eco-conscious philosophy. Storage space remains practical, making the 2CV Classic a perfect companion for everyday use. Driving the 2025 Citroën 2CV Classic is a unique experience. It retains the light, floaty suspension of its predecessor, making every journey feel relaxed and enjoyable. The small yet efficient motor delivers enough torque for a smooth ride without compromising the car's character. Citroën has also incorporated modern safety features such as adaptive braking, lane keeping assist, and a compact but effective airbag system to ensure peace of mind without taking away from the car's simplicity. For enthusiasts of the original 2CV, this modern version is a dream come true. It captures the spirit of the past while embracing the future, offering a delightful blend of nostalgia and innovation. Whether you're a collector or simply someone looking for a unique, stylish, and sustainable way to get around, the 2025 Citroën 2CV Classic is a charming tribute to an automotive icon.